Hello guys! So check natin yung superworm. So meron tayong isa na naging beetle na. If you remember, apat to. So isa, dalawa, tatlo, and then apat. So dalawa yung naging beetle na. Dalawa yung hindi pa. So this is after 27 days. Since sineparate natin sila, may initially, anim sila, dalawa yung namatay. So, apat yung successful, dalawa na naging beetle, and dalawa na still pending. So, tingnan natin in the coming days. So, that was after 27 days. Um, Hopefully talaga merong male and female so we can start breeding superworms, no, for our animals. And, um, actually madali lang kasi hindi naman initially wala talaga akong experience when it comes to breeding beetle or superworm. So, tiyanak ko lang din sa YouTube and eto yung mga nakita ko is separate sila. Put them in a dark place. And then, eto, so ang substrate ko is actually corn bran and may konting-konting feeds, no, commercial feeds. So hopefully maging bita na rin yung dalawa and we can start our superworm farm. Thank you. Follow for more.